What is up, UKULIMBAKERS, UKULIMBAKERs, and welcome to Chordsraoke or Chordsraoke. This is my channel's play along. Today I'm going to do Still by Hillsong, and I made the tutorial version like a year ago. You can find the link below. Okay, I also have made a song sheet for you, downloadable for free. Before we start, I'd like to encourage you with the verse, which is, I think, the inspiration of this song. It says here in Psalm chapter 46, verse 10, "Be still and know that I am God. I will be honored by every nation. I will be honored throughout the world." You know, we might think that this verse is like about relaxation or doing nothing because it says be still. The verse before that, you will see what the context is. It's about war. And if you read the whole chapter, it's like saying that the people are asking God's help. The people are thinking who God is and considering Him their fortress, their refuge, and strength. You know, in the midst of difficulties in life, it is still possible to worship the Lord. Be still means leave it to God. Leave your worries, leave your burden to God. Okay? And let Him do what He does best, and that is being God. He knows what He does. You trust His sovereignty. And may this verse encourage us to be still and reflect on who He is. Reflect on Him. Let's start this.
Within your mighty hands, when the oceans rise and thunders roar, and I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are King over the flood, and I will be still. Know you are God. Find rest, my soul, in Christ alone. His power in quietness and trust. When the oceans rise and thunders roar, and I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are King over the flood, and I will be still. Know you are God. Find rest, my soul, in Christ alone. Know His power in quietness and trust. When the oceans rise and thunders shore, and I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood, and I will be still, know you are God. When the oceans rise and thunders roar, and I will soar with you above